Children, it is a mathematics model question paper 4 and it is second English medium question paper given by Dayat Hassan. Now let us solve this question. Now the first mean 4 alternatives are given for each of the following questions in complete statement. Only one of them is correct or most appropriate. Choose the correct alternative and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet. And 8 questions are there. They are the multiple choice questions. Each carry 1 marks. The first question is the nth term of an AP 5, 2, minus 1, minus 4, minus 7 is 2n plus 5. Option B is 2n minus 5. Option C is minus 3n minus 8. Option D is 8 minus 3n. Let us solve this. Here what is given? AP is given. What is that AP? 5, 2, minus 4, minus 7. You solve it roughly and find the answer. Now what is A? A is 5. And what is D? D is 2 minus 5. You write here A equals 5, D equals 2 minus 5 equals minus 3. And what you have to find out? We have to find the nth term. So you write an equals what? A plus n minus 1 into D. A you write 5 plus n you write n only. N minus 1. D is minus 3. Then it becomes 5 and n into minus 3 is minus 3n. Yeah, minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3. So you will get 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 minus 3n. So the answer is 8 minus 3n. Here it is option D. Answer is 8 minus 3n. So you write answer D 8 minus 3n. Option D is the answer. What is that answer? 8 minus 3n. Now you take the second question. The discriminant of quadratic equation x square minus bx plus c equals 0 is. The options are A. b square minus 4ac, B. b square minus 4, C. b square minus 4c, D. b square minus 4a. Now here take that equation ax square minus bx plus c equals 0 is the standard form of the quadratic equation. But here the equation is a is 1 here. The value of e is given, that is 1. So you write here a equals 1, b equals minus b and c equals c only. Here b is minus b, not plus b. At the standard form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Now you write the discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So in the place of b there is minus b. So you write minus b whole square minus 4. E is 1. C is c only. Then it becomes b square minus 4c. The answer is b square minus 4c. So here the option C is the answer. C b square minus 4c. So you write answer C. What is that? B square minus 4c. Next you take Surahi is the combination of. The option A is a sphere and a cylinder. And option B is a hemisphere and a cylinder. Option C is two hemispheres. Option D is a cylinder and a cone. Surahi is in the shape of this one. You know that this is the cylinder, cylindrical part, and this is sphere. So which option is suitable here? You know that a sphere and a cylinder. The option A is the answer. So you write a sphere and a cylinder. Sphere and a cylinder, that is the answer. Next you take the fourth question. 3 cubes of iron whose edges are 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm are respectively are melted and formed into a single cube. The edge of the new cube formed is. Here 3 cubes of iron whose edges are 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm is melted and formed into a single cube. what we have to find out? Here we have to find the age of new cube. So find the volume of the total volume here. Total volume is equals to 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube. It becomes 6 cube is, that is 216, 8 cube is 512, 10 cube is 1000. Here 6 into 6 into 6 is 216, 8 into 8 into 8 is 512, and 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000. And what is the sum of these three? 1000, 512, 216. That is 1728. So here you got the volume of the new cube is a cube equals 1728. Then a equals what? Cube root of 1728. So what is the cube root of 1728? That you will get 1728 cube, that is 2 8 16, 1 2, 2 6 12, 2 4 again 2 4 2 3 2 2 2 2 2 16, then 2 1 2 8, then 2 5 2 4, then 2 27, then 3 9, 3 3, 3 1. So we will get 2 2 2. That you will get 2 into 2 into 3. So you will get 12. So what is the answer here? Answer is A, 12 centimeter. Here we have to find the cube root of this 1728. So roughly calculate it. You will get, for this 3 2, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. So the product of these two is 12. So you got answer A, 12 centimeter. The age of the new cube is how much? That is 12 centimeter. Next you take question number 5. The value of sine square 30 degree minus cos square 60 degree is. You know the value of sine 30. Sine 30. You take here sine square 30 degree minus cos square 60 degree. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine square 30 is 1 by 2 square. Minus cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos square 60 is 1 by 2 whole square. So you will get 1 by 4. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. Minus again 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. Then the value of sine square 30 minus cos square 60 degree is 0. Here the option B is the answer. So you write answer B, 0. Answer B, 0 is the answer here. Next you take the 6th question. Do two parallel lines touch the circle at point A and B respectively? If area of the circle is 4 pi cm square, then AB is. Here let us have the rough sketch. This is the rough sketch of the circle and this is the center. Two parallel lines touch the circle at point A and B. So let us have, here this is a line and the other line is this one. Both are parallel and they touch the circle at A and B. And what you have to find out here? We have to find AB. And what is given? Area of the circle is given. What is the area of the circle? That is 4 pi cm square. Now you know that here if you take the center is O, AB passes through the center. AB passes through the center, and as they are parallel means you will get here OA is perpendicular to this line, OB is perpendicular to this line. So these two are the radii. So here we have to find the radii of the circle. If you get the radii of the circle, if you got the radius of the circle, then you will get AB. So you take here, you know the formula to find the area of the circle. What is that formula? A equals pi r square. That is given. The area is 4 pi cm square is given. So here cancels. pi and pi cancels. What is remaining? R square equals 4. So R you will get square root of 4, that equals 2. So you got 2, and this is 2, this is 2. So AB is equals to what? 4 centimeter. AB is equals to 2 plus 2, 4 centimeter. Therefore you write the answer. Answer is B, that is 4 centimeter is the answer. Then you take the 7th question. The surface area of a sphere is 616 cm square. Its radius is. What is the formula to find the surface area of the sphere? That is, surface area of sphere equals, that you know, 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Then it is equals to what is given? 616. So 4 into 22 by 7 into r square equals 616. Then you will get r square equals 616 into 7 by 4 into 22. So you will get 2 11s are, 2 3s are, and 0 2 8s are. Then you will get 11 1s are, 11 2s are, 22, 8 is remaining, 11 8s are, 4 1s are, 4 7s are. So you got r square equals 7 into 7. So r equals what? 7. So what is the value here? C is the answer. R square equals 7 into 7, r equals 7. So you write the answer C, that is 7 centimeter. Answer is 7 centimeter. Now the question number 8. If P of A by 2, 3 is the midpoint of the line segment joining the points A 2 3 and B 3 3. Yeah, P A by 2 3 is the midpoint of the line segment joining A 2 3 B 3 3. Then the value of A is. Here we have to use the midpoint formula. What is that midpoint formula? That is P of xy equals x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Also you can write x2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2. Here xy is what? A by 2, 3, and you know that this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. You can write P of A by 2 3 equals x1 is 2 plus x2 is 3. 2 plus 3 by 2. y1 is 3. 3 plus y2 is 3 by 2. So you will get here P of A by 2 3 equals 5 by 2 6 by 2. So you know that 6 by 2 is equals to 3 only, but here this must be equals to this one. So you got that A by 2 is equals to 5 by 2. First one is the value of the first one, second one is the second value. So A by 2 equals 5 by 2. So you will get A equals 5. So the value of A is 5. What is the answer here? Option D is the answer. D 5. Answer is D 5. Answer D 5 is the answer. Here the multiple choice questions are completed. Now let us come to the short answer type question. Second main, answer the following questions. 9th question. In the adjacent figure, the line XY is parallel to AC. It divides the triangle into two parts of equal areas. Then find area of triangle ABC by area of triangle XBY. Here ABC is a given triangle. ABC is a given triangle and XBY is the new triangle which is formed by drawing the line XY parallel to AC, and it is given that XY divides the triangle ABC into two parts of equal area. Here which are the two parts? One is the triangle BXY, other is the part AXYC, which is a trapezium. So here these two areas are equal, means you can consider the areas are in the ratio 1:1. Both the parts are having equal area. So area of triangle BXY is to area of triangle AXYC is equals to 1:1. Here what is to be find out? Area of triangle ABC, this big triangle, by area of this small triangle. So that becomes, so write area of triangle XBY is to area of AXYC equals what? 1:1. So here what is given? And also it is given, what is given? XY is parallel to AC. So you know that, yeah, triangle ABC is similar to triangle XBY, as XY is parallel to AC. Therefore you take the ratio area of triangle ABC by area of triangle XBY equals, area of triangle ABC means you can get 1 plus 1. The sum of these two area, you will get the area of the triangle ABC. 1 plus 1 by 1, that equals what? 2 by 1. So you got the ratio 2:1, 2 by 1. Therefore you can write area of triangle ABC by area of triangle XBY equals what? 2 by 1. Now you take the second question. If Sn equals 3n plus 1, Sn minus 1 equals 4n minus 1, then find An. There is one relation, you know that. To find An, when Sn and Sn minus 1, we can use one relation, that is the important relation. What is that? An equals Sn minus Sn minus 1. How is it? You know that Sn means A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus so on plus An. That is Sn. Sn minus 1 means A1 plus A2 plus A3 so on plus An minus 1. And you know that the previous term of An is An minus 1. So Sn minus 1, you know that here this becomes all minus and they cancels. Finally what is remaining? An. Therefore you can use this relation. All cancels, only last An will remain, and using this relation An is equals to Sn minus 1, you will get An. An is equals to Sn is 3n plus 1 minus Sn minus 1 is 4n minus 1. So An equals 3n plus 1 minus 4n minus of minus is plus 1. Then An equals 3n minus 4n is minus n, plus 1 is plus 2. So you will get An is equals to 2 minus n. An equals what? 2 minus n. That is the relation. Here Sn is 3n plus 1, Sn minus 1 is 4n minus 1. It is given here. Then here if you subtract this 4n minus 1 by 3n plus 1, you will get 2 minus n. 2 minus n. Then if take the, now the question number 11, the sum of a number and its reciprocal is 26 by 5. Write the quadratic equation of the above statement. So you take, let the number is x and its reciprocal is 1 by x. So the sum of A number and its reciprocal means x plus 1 by x is equals to what? 26 by 5. So sum of a number and its reciprocal is 26 by 5. So sum of a number x and its reciprocal 1 by x is equals to what? 26 by 5. Now you take the LCM here. What is the LCM? LCM of, here you can consider 1 is there. LCM of 1 and x is x. So the numerator becomes x square plus 1 equals 26 by 5. Then you do the cross multiplication, this into this. That becomes 5x square plus 5 equals 26 into x is 26x. Now you transfer this to the LHS, then it becomes 5x square minus 26x plus 5 equals 0. This is the standard form of the quadratic equation. 26 must be transferred to the LHS, then it becomes minus 26x, and you write this plus 5 together of this 5x square minus 26x. Then you will get 5x square minus 26x plus 5 equals 0. That is the quadratic equation of the given statement. What is the statement? Sum of a number and its reciprocal is 26 by 5. Now the 12th question. If sine theta equals x, then find the value of secant theta in terms of x. Here sine theta is given. We have to find the sec theta in terms of x. Now let us have the rough sketch. Here you consider a right angle triangle ABC, in which angle B is the right angle and angle CA is, we have taken theta. A is the angle theta. Now you know that sine theta is O by H, that is opposite side by hypotenuse. Sine theta equals opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is BC. Hypotenuse is AC, that is x, that is equals to x by 1. So let us take that is xk by 1k. Xk by 1k. So if you consider the ratio is 1, you can also take x. Now, so let us take BC equals x, AC equals 1. So if you apply the Pythagoras theorem, you know that here AB square equals AC square minus BC square, that equals 1 square minus x square. Then AB is equals to what? Root 1 square minus x square, that is nothing but 1 minus x square. So secant theta you can get here. Secant theta is equals to, you know that cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse, and secant theta is hypotenuse by adjacent side. Then it is hypotenuse is AC and adjacent side is AB. For theta it is the adjacent side, and AC you know the 1, and AB is whole root 1 minus x square. Therefore you got that secant theta is equals to square root of 1 minus x square. Now the question number 13. Anant goes 8 meter due north and then 6 meter due east as shown in the figure. Find his distance from the starting point. Here what is the starting point? A is the starting point, and he goes 8 meter towards north, that is in this direction, and reaches the point B. So here AB equals how much? AB is 8 meter, and from that point B he goes 6 meter due west, And here what you have to find out? You have to find his distance from the starting point. Means we have to find AC. You know that as he moves perpendicular, as he moves from the starting point to B, that is towards north, and again 90 degree towards east. So you have to consider this is the right angle triangle ABC and apply the Pythagoras theorem and get AC. So write the solution here. In right angle triangle ABC, so which is the hypotenuse AC, AC square equals AB square plus BC square. That is AC square equals AB is 8 square plus BC is 6 square. So AC square equals 64 plus 36. That is AC square equals 100 you will get. Then AC equals what? Square root of 100, that equals 10 meter. So what is the distance from the starting point? His distance from the starting point is 10 meter. That is AC is 10 meter. Next let us take the 14th question, that is also 1 marks question. If 3 x plus 1 5 are in AP, find the value of x. Find the value of x. Here the middle one is the mean of the first and the third one. So you can use the formula for arithmetic mean as they are in AP, or otherwise you can consider this is A1, A2, A3. Then you use A2 minus A1 equals A3 minus A2. This also you can use, or otherwise if you consider this is the A arithmetic mean of this A and B. So this first term you consider A and the third term you consider B, and A is the arithmetic mean of this A and B. So the formula is there, A equals A plus B by 2. Then it becomes A is 3, B is 5 by 2, or otherwise you write here A is x plus 1, A is x plus 1, that equals A is 3, B is 5, that is 3 plus 5 by 2. So x plus 1 equals 8 by 2, 2 1s are 2 4s are, you will get x plus 1 equals 4, then x equals 4 minus 1 equals 3. X equals 4 minus 1 equals 3. Then the 15th one, find the distance between the points A, cos theta, sin theta, and the origin. Here you consider A, cos theta, sin theta, and the other point is origin, that is 0 0. 0 0. So if you consider this is x, y, the distance between a point and a origin, that you know, d equals square root of x square plus y square. Square root of x square plus y square, as it is a distance between a point and the origin. So you write, then x is cos theta, that is cos square theta, plus y is sin theta, that is sin square theta. Then d is equals to, what is the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So d is equals to 1. D is equals to 1 unit you can write. D is equals to what? 1 unit. The distance between a point cos theta sin theta and the origin is 1 unit. Now 16th question. Write the formula used to calculate total surface area of the frustum of cone of radius R1, R2 and slant height L. So then what is the formula to find the TSA? TSA of frustum of the cone. Frustum of the cone equals, that is, what is the formula to find the total surface area of the frustum of cone? That is area of the two bases pi r1 square plus pi r2 square plus, you can write pi into L into r1 plus r2. That also you can write pi into r1 plus r2 into L plus pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. That also you can write. That is the total surface area of the frustum of the cone of radius r1, r2 and slant height L. And also you can write pi into r1 plus r2 into L plus, you can remove pi outside as a common, that is r1 square plus r2 square. You can write this equal this or this, any one you can write. All are the formula for the TSA of frustum of the cone. Then next you take the third main question, that is the answer the following questions. There are 2 mass questions, 8 questions are there and total mass 16. Total mass 16. So you write x plus y equals 8 and next one is x minus 2y equals minus 4. X plus y equals 8, x minus 2y equals minus 4. Here we have to solve this by elimination method. In elimination method we have to cancel any one of the variable. So we have to verify the coefficient of the variable which can be cancelled easily. So here to cancel the variable they must have the same coefficient. See, here you verify this variable x and x is having same coefficient in both the equation. So as they are having same sign, here you cancel the variable x by subtracting second equation by first equation or first equation by second equation. So you consider this is first, this is second. Then you write by second minus 1 or first minus second, you can do here. First minus second, you write the first one, x plus y minus x minus 2y, LHS minus LHS, 8 minus minus 4. So this minus this in the LHS side and this minus this. So 8 minus minus 4. Then you open the bracket, x plus y minus x, minus minus becomes plus, plus 2y, that equals 8, minus minus becomes plus 4. Then you cancel this, y plus 2y is 3y equals 12. So you got y is equals to 12 by 3, 3 ones are 3 fours are, that equals 4. You got the value of y. As you cancel the variable x, you got the value of y. Then you substitute the value of y. Substitute y equals 4 in any one of the equation. Let us take the first equation. So you write by substituting y equals 4 in equation first. So you write that first equation, x plus y is equals to 8. So x is, x you write, x that is to be find out, plus y 4 equals 8, x equals 8 minus 4, that equals x equals 4, x equals 4. Therefore here you got, therefore x equals 4 and y equals 4, x equals 4 and y equals 4. Now the question number 18. Find the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 3x minus 3 equals 0 by quadratic formula method, or solve x square minus 3x plus 2 equals 0 by factorization method. So you take the equation x square minus 3x minus 3 equals 0. X square minus 3x minus 3 equals 0. Here we have to solve this quadratic equation by quadratic formula. Before writing the formula, write the value of a, b and c. So here what is the value of a? That is the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 1. So a equals 1. Then b, the coefficient of x. So what is the coefficient of x? That is minus 3. And the constant c is equals to minus 3. Here you got the coefficient of x square means 1x square. So we have taken a equals 1 and b the coefficient of x, that is minus 3, c the constant. Then write x equals, then minus b plus or minus whole root b square minus 4ac by 2a, minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Then x equals minus 3 plus or minus whole root b square, that is minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 1, c is minus 3. Then it is 2 into a is 1. Then x equals minus of minus 3 is 3 plus or minus whole root minus 3 whole square is 9, and minus into minus is plus. Then 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 2 1s are 2. Then you write x equals, that equals 3 plus or minus 9 plus 12 is 21 by 2. Then here you can't split as a product of square number into some other number. So write 21 only. Then you can write x equals 3 plus square root of 21 by 2, or x equals 3 minus square root of 21 by 2. Here you got the roots, 3 plus square root of 21 by 2, 3 minus square root of 21 by 2. Here you got the answer for the first question. And it is a choice question. The next question, here you solve the question in which you are perfect. No necessity of solving both. It takes time and there will be no time to solve the difficult questions. So you solve any one of the question which is easy for you. But here let me solve this one also. So you take that one. Then you take this question, x square minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. Here you take the sum and the product. Here the product is, that is pq equals to x square and p plus q. The sum is minus 3x. Here we have to split 2x square. You know that 2 is in the table, 2 and 1. So 2 1s are 2, and here it is minus 3 means we have to take both minus 2x minus 1x. The product of these two is 2x square. And the sum of these two is minus 3x. Then you take x square minus 2x minus 1x plus 2 equals 0, then you write x into x minus 2 minus 1 into x minus 2 equals 0. X into x minus 2 minus 1 into x minus 2 equals 0. Then here x minus 2 is common. X minus 2 into x minus 1. X minus 1 equals 0. Then equate this equals 0 and this also equals 0. You will get two linear equations and solve. X minus 2 equals 0 or x minus 1 equals 0. So x equals what? 0 plus 2, 2, or x equals 0 plus 1, 1. Here you got the roots of the quadratic equation 2 and 1. Verify a minus b whole square, a square plus b square, a plus b whole square are in AP. So you write the first question, and our question is also there. It is a choice question. A3 equals 1 by 4, a4 equals 1 by 3. Show that common difference is 1 by 12. Now let us take the first one. What is that? A minus b whole square, a square plus b square, a plus b whole square. Here there are two methods to verify this. One is by using the arithmetic mean. We have to verify whether a square plus b square is a arithmetic mean of these two or not. The second one is considering this is a1, this is a2, and this is a3. If a2 minus a1 is equals to a3 minus a2, then you can say that these three terms are in AP. So if you want to do a2 minus a1, a2 is a square plus b square minus a minus b whole square, that equals a square plus b square minus this is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So you got a square plus b square minus a square minus b square plus 2ab. Here the bracket is open, so as there is minus outside the bracket, the sign of this a square becomes minus a square, b square becomes minus b square, and minus 2ab becomes plus 2ab. Then it is equals to a square minus a square cancels, b square minus b square cancels. So you got a2 minus a1 is equals to what? 2ab. Consider this is the first one. Then you take a3 minus a2. a3 minus a2. a3 is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square minus a2. a2 is a square plus b square. A square plus b square. Then you write the expansion of a plus b the whole square. What is the expansion of a plus b the whole square? That is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and you open the bracket, that becomes minus a square minus b square. Here also a square minus a square cancels, b square minus b square cancels. Then you will get a3 minus a1 equals 2ab. So this is the second. So from first and second, what you got? From first and second you got a3 minus a1 equals a2 minus a1. Therefore, you can write that a minus b whole square, a square plus b square, a plus b whole square are in AP. Therefore, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square, a plus b whole square are in AP. Are in AP. Then let us take the second question. A3 equals 1 by 4, a4 equals 1 by 3, And here what you have to show? We have to show that common difference is 1 by 12. Common difference is 1 by 12. You can use one relation, that is directly there is a formula for D if two terms are given. If Tp and Tq are given, that is Tp minus Tq by P minus Q. So D equals what? If the two terms are given, now let us consider one term is Tp and the other term is Tq. So D equals Tp minus Tq by P minus Q. Tp minus Tq by P minus Q. By using this relation, you can get this answer easily. But this formula is not in your textbook. But if you want to use this formula, you can use. So you write this first given. A3 equals 1 by 4. A3 equals 1 by 4. A4 equals 1 by 3. So what you have to prove here? D equals. We have to prove that it is 1 by 12. And here by using the elimination method also you can do it. Now let us consider this is Tp or AP. You can take Tp or AP. AP equals 1 by 4. TQ. TQ means AQ equals 1 by 3. Then D is equals to what? AP minus AQ by P minus Q. AP is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3, that divided by P is 3, Q is 4. So that is 3 minus 4. That equals 3 minus 4 is minus 1, and you take the LCM. LCM is 12. Then it becomes 3 minus 4. Again you will get minus 1 by 12 by minus 1. That is nothing but minus 1 by 12 into minus 1. You got 1 by 12. So you got D value is 1 by 12. Or second method you can use. If you know this formula, then only you can use this formula. Otherwise you can use the one more method, that you write A, what is given here? A3 equals what? A plus 2D equals 1 by 4. So you write it as A is equals to 1 by 4 minus 2D. Consider this is first. And the second, A4 is given. A4 is equals to what? A plus 3D. Then in the place of A, you write 1 by 4 minus 2D plus 3D. A plus 3D is given. That is how much? 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Here you write 1 by 3. Then it becomes 1 by 4 minus 2D plus 3D. That is plus D equals 1 by 3. Then it becomes D equals 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. And the LCM becomes D equals 12. And numerator becomes 4 minus 3 equals 1 by 12. So, without using the formula, by using the relation A3 and A4, then also you will get the value of D, and use the method which is easy for you. But here to use this relation, this formula is not there in your textbook. But you can use this formula by the logical method, that is by taking the relation an equals a plus n minus 1 into d, that is a3 equals a plus 2d and a4 equals a plus 3d. But here in the first step you convert this into a, then it becomes easy for you. Now the question number 20. In an AP, if the common difference is minus 4, seventh term is 4, then the first term is, here we have to find the first term. So you take the common difference. So you write the solution. So what is given? D is given. You write D equals minus 4. Then the seventh term, that is A7 is given. A7 is 4. and find the first term a equals question mark. Then here you use the formula for an. an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. A you write a only, plus which one is given here, a7 is given. A7 equals a plus 7 minus 1 into d. D is minus 4, that a7 is how much? 4. Then you write a 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 into 4 is 24, but here minus 4 is there, so you write a minus 24 equals 4. Then a equals 4 plus 24. So you got a equals 28. A equals 28. So the formula is an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Then a7. a7 is a plus, in the place of n you write 7 minus 1, d is minus 4, that equals 4. So you write a only, and 7 minus 1, 6. 6 4s are 24, but it becomes minus 24. Here also you can write one more step, that is a plus 6 into minus 4 also you can write equals 4. Then you write a minus 24 is 6 into minus 4, that is minus 24. That also one step you can write extra. So you got the value of a, that is the find the first term. The first term is how much? 28. First term is 28. Then you take the next question. The base of a triangle is 4 cm longer than its altitude. If area of the triangle is 48 square centimeter, find the length of base of the triangle. Here what is given? The relation between the base of a triangle and its altitude is given, and also the area of the triangle is given. What we have to find out? We have to find the base of the triangle. You know the formula to find the area of the triangle. So here let us take base of a triangle B. B is 4 centimeter longer than the altitude. Now let us take let. So you take the solution here. Let altitude equals h equals x you take. Then base. Then base becomes 4 centimeter longer than its altitude, means that is x plus 4. X plus 4. You know the formula to find the area of the triangle, that is L into B is equals to A. Then what is the formula to find the area of the triangle? That is area of the triangle equals half into B into H. So you take half into B into H equals A you take. Then half into B is x plus 4 into H is x equals A. Area is given, that is 48. Then you write x into x, x square plus 4x, 2 into 48. 2 into 48 is 96. So you got x square plus 4x minus 96 equals 0. Then here we have to solve this quadratic equation. You got this form of quadratic equation, which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. You can solve it by using the quadratic formula or by the method of factorization. Here if you want to take the product and sum, here sum becomes minus, here the product is minus 96x square and the sum is 4x. So you know that the product is having different sign. So if you take the product PQ minus 96x square and the sum P plus Q 4x, and as the product is having negative sign, the factors are having different sign, and here the sign of the middle term is positive. So the greater factor is having positive and the smaller factor is having negative sign. So you factorize it. 96, 248 za, 224 za, 212 za, and here you can get 8. Here it is 12. So you can get 12 8 are 96. This is 12x. This is 8x. So 12x minus 8x is 4x you will have, and 12x into minus 8x is minus 96x square. So x square plus 12x minus 8x minus 96 equals 0. So you take x common. X into x plus 12 minus 8 into x plus 12 equals 0. Then you write x plus 12 into x minus 8 equals 0. So equate each factors to 0. It becomes x plus 12 equals 0 or x minus 8 equals 0. Then you will get x equals 0 minus 12 or x equals 8. Here you must consider the positive because it is a length. So you take x equals how much? That is nothing but altitude equals, you got 8, but here we have to find the length of the base. So you got height equals altitude equals 8 centimeter, then base is equals to what? X plus 4, that equals 8 plus 4, that equals 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. So you got the base of a triangle is 12 centimeter. Base of a triangle is 12 centimeter. Question number 22nd. If P of xy is any point on the line joining the points A of A0 and B of O0B, then show that x by A plus y by B equals 1. Here P of xy is a point on the line joining the points A of A0 and B of 0B, then show that x by A plus y by B equals 1. Now let us consider a straight line AB. P is a point on it, and now you consider here it is x1 y1. So let us have it is x2 y2. This is x3 y3. The points A, P, B are collinear. As these 3 points are collinear, we will get the area of the triangle formed by these 3 points is equals to 0. Now let us use the formula to find the area of the triangle. Area of triangle equals half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now you write 1 by 2 x1 is A into y2 is y minus, here you take the area is 0 because they are collinear points. So you take y2 is y minus y3 is b, y minus b plus x2 is x, y3 is b minus y1 is 0 plus x3 is 0, y1 is 0 minus y2 is y, that is equals 0. Then you write ay minus ab plus xb equals 0. So you write ay plus xb equals ab. Divide both LHS and RHS by ab. So you write ay plus xb by, divide all the terms by ab. Then you will get y by b. AA cancels, BB cancels, plus x by A equals 1. So you got that x by A plus y by B equals 1. Here we have to consider that these 3 points are collinear and area of the triangle formed is 0, and you write the formula to find the area of the triangle considering this A0 x1 y1 and P of xy, that is the point on the line. So you take x2 y2 and this is x3 y3 and write the formula to find the area of the triangle and substitute the values of x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Then you will get this relation and finally you got x by a plus y by b equals 1. Then let us take 23rd question. Draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Construct a pair of tangents to it from an external point at a distance of 3 cm away from the circle. You know the method of constructing the tangents from the external point, and it is also discussed many times. If it is possible, in the last video, let us discuss about the construction. But here what you have to do, first you draw the circle of radius 3 cm and construct a pair of tangents to it from an external point at a distance of 3 cm away from the circle. Away from the circle means here you must draw the line of 3 plus 3 equals 6 cm line and you name it A and P, and with this point as center draw the circle of radius 3 cm. Draw the circle of radius 3 cm and draw the perpendicular to this line AP, and you will get the perpendicular bisector. And here how you can draw the perpendicular bisector? With A as a center, take a curve more than half of AB and draw the curve above and below, and with P as a center cut the previous curve and you will get a midpoint, that is perpendicular, and draw the circle with this as a centimeter. Here this is the midpoint and join this to this one. So this is the only discussion about the method of construction. So it is a rough sketch. 24th question. It is last 2 marks question. What you have to show here? We have to show that 1 by 1 plus tan square theta plus sine square theta equals 1. Now you write the left hand side, that is 1 by 1 plus tan square theta plus sine square theta. Consider the LHS. Now you write 1 by 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, secant square theta, plus sine square theta, because you know that 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta, because you write. Now you know that sec is a reciprocal of cos. It is equals to what? Cos square theta plus sine square theta, and it is an identity that cos square theta plus sine square theta is equals to 1. So you can write equals 1, which equals RHS, because you write cos square theta plus sine square theta is equals to 1. You must know this. There is an identity. If you know this, then you can write the answer, that is equals to 1. And also you must know that 1 plus tan square theta is equals to secant square theta, and 1 by secant square theta is equals to cos square theta. You must keep in your mind, then only you can apply this and then you can prove this. So you write therefore 1 by 1 plus tan square theta plus sine square theta equals 1.